The BRUIN 314 study is a phase 3 international randomized study of ibrutinib versus pirtobrutinib for patients with chronic lymphocytic leukemia, or CLL. Ibrutinib is a bruton tyrosine kinase, or BTK inhibitor, works as an irreversible inhibitor and is one standard of care for the treatment of CLL in any phase of the disease, either initial therapy or relapsed refractory disease. This trial aims to see whether pirtobrutinib, which is a reversible, very selective inhibitor of BTK, which has shown efficacy and safety for patients with highly relapsed and refractory CLL. The purpose here is to establish non-inferiority of pirtobrutinib versus ibrutinib in terms of overall response rate. The BRUIN 314 study is enrolling patients with either treatment-naive or relapsed refractory CLL, where a BTK inhibitor would be a standard option. There was the cohort of patients who have not previously received any therapy for the disease is actually closed at this time. So future patients going on do have to have received at least one prior therapy. And then patients are randomized to either ibrutinib or pirtobrutinib given until disease progression. This, again, is a trial that is open all throughout the world. If you have a patient that you would like to enroll in the study, or if you yourself would like to enroll in the study, you can go to clinicaltrials.gov and see if there's a site near you that is taking patients for enrollment. So pirtobrutinib has shown really exciting efficacy and safety in relapsed refractory CLL. The efficacy obviously is well demonstrated. And one thing that I think differentiates pirtobrutinib from many of the other BTK inhibitors in development is that it is extremely selective for BTK. So it's very well tolerated. And so I think this study comparing pirtobrutinib versus ibrutinib is really an exciting one because we're both looking at the efficacy of two different BTK inhibitors, but also potentially taking into account the safety, which is really important when we're thinking of a drug that patients could potentially get for years and years. So I think this is a really exciting study, and I look forward to seeing the results as time goes along.